In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable full screen mode in Google Chrome. Whether you're looking to immerse yourself fully in the content of a web page or you need to quickly exit full screen mode, I'll guide you through the simple steps to manage this feature. Let's start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see 3 dots stacked vertically. This is the menu icon. It might be easy to miss if you aren't familiar with it, but it serves as your gateway to numerous Chrome settings and features. Click on these 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. As you navigate through this menu, search for the section labeled Zoom. It's typically one of the options you'll find halfway through the drop-down list. The Zoom feature in Chrome is quite handy, offering quick access to adjusting the magnification of any web page you're visiting. Adjacent to the word Zoom, you will notice a square-shaped icon. Clicking on this square icon is your ticket to enter full screen mode. By maximizing your browser screen this way, you'll remove distractions, allowing the web content to take over your entire display. This is especially useful when watching videos or giving presentations directly from your browser. If you decide you want to exit full screen mode, you have several options. The easiest way is to use a keyboard shortcut. Typically on a Windows PC, you can press the F11 key, whereas on a Mac, you might use Ctrl plus Command plus F. This will toggle you in and out of full screen mode in an instant. Alternatively, if you prefer using your mouse, simply move your cursor to the top of your screen. Doing so will reveal a hidden toolbar at the very top where a small X will appear. Click on this X, which indicates to close the full screen mode, and your browser will revert to its standard windowed view. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to toggling full screen mode in Google Chrome. Understanding this feature not only optimizes your browsing experience for particular tasks, but also enhances the way you interact with online content. If you've found these steps useful, make sure to try them out the next time you're on Chrome and see how it can make your browsing more efficient. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.